Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to set up member count bot on Discord. Now what you want to do first is search for a server stats bot, so just search server stats bot, just like so. Now once you're here, you just need to invite the bot to your server by clicking on invite bot and by selecting a server. So there, just pick a server from here. So I'm gonna pick this one. Then click on continue, authorize, click on the verification right there. And there, as you can see, server stats bot has been added. Now go back to Discord and just type in / so click here on the setup right here. Pick the voice channel or text channel that you want to put the count, the member count. So click here. For the template, you can just go with default counters, just like so. Now just click on enter. So now the setup has been started and it will take a couple of seconds to finish. So as you can see below here is that I have the server stats right here, all members and the members and the bots. So that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.